Hey guys, welcome back. It's me, Shushma. Today, I am not going to be taking the video. My sister, Anika, is going to be taking the video. Hey guys, welcome back. Today, I'm going to make rainbow. Before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn on notification, give me a huge thumbs up. So first of all, for the rainbow, we use red, orange, yellow, green, and then purple, and then blue. Now, if it's too big, we just have to cut it. Now let's roll. Let me take the red. We need a bigger. Just roll it. Make it even. We take it off. Okay, this is too long. Just cut it. Now, it's time for the yellow. Oh my gosh, it's too big for this. Now we use green. Now it's time to put bluey blue. Now it's the last one, just pink. We cut the pink. So thanks for watching. Make sure you give me a huge thumbs up. Click that subscribe button, turn on notifications. Bye-bye.